Hello, I'm going to present to you understanding different levels of management and skills. Levels of management refers to the division of authority and responsibility within a company. It will establish the chain of command and determine the reporting structure of a different managerial positions. The first one is the top level management, which is responsible for setting the overall decisions of the company, ensuring financial stability, developing long term goals, and managing resources. Second is the mid-level management, which is the crucial link between top-level and lower-level management. They implement the plans of top management, oversee the departmental operations, and ensure coordination. Third is the low-level management, which handles day-to-day activities and manages small teams. They ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and that company policies are followed. The next topic is the management skills, which is the abilities and attributes that enable to effectively organize, lead, and coordinate peoples and resources. First is the human skills, which is the ability to understand and motivate people, communicate effectively, and work cooperatively within a team. This is also the heart of the management. Second, communication skills, which is the bridge to understanding, art of clearly and effectively conveying ideas, instructions, and feedbacks. Third, which is the technical skills, the foundation, and understanding tools and processes within the company, the hands-on expertise and knowledge required to perform a task. Next one is the conceptual skills, which is the strategic lens, seeing the big picture, analyzing complex situations, and making decisions that align with the long-term goals. The next one is the leadership skills, which is the traits or interpersonal skills an individual has that contribute to their ability to encourage and organize others to reach a shared goal. Problem solving skills, the next one, is the ability to tackle and solve the frequent problems that can arise in a typical workday. Number seven is the time management skills, which is effectively prioritizing and managing time to achieve goals. Pro tip, making a to-do list or time blocking to stay organized. Number eight is the directing and oversight skills, which is guiding and monitoring team activities to ensure alignment with objectives. Number nine is the adaptability, the ability to adjust effectively to a new conditions, challenges, or changes in the environment. The last one, the decision-making skills, which involves identifying an issue, weighing options, and taking actions. It's simply the ability to choose wisely. Thank you.